Are you still using Excel to manage leads and often missing important follow-ups? Then we have CueLab CRM app for you. Get instant notifications for new leads. Connect with leads instantly through call, WhatsApp, email, or SMS in single click. Automatically sync leads from 10+ sources, including Facebook, Google, IndiaMart, LinkedIn, and more. Get lead caller ID. During call, remember the last conversion with leads without saving the number. Create multiple organizations and add your team members. Manage leads for multiple businesses at a time. Manage all lead details in one place with ease. Add lead tags, stages and build funnels. Filter leads, close more deals. Manage your entire team and distribute leads. Automatically or manually bulk upload leads. Through Excel, import all your lead details in one click and hassle-free follow-up with CueLab Set, reminder notification, and never miss any follow-up. Effortlessly manage and assign tasks. Assign tasks to members of your organization, enhancing overall productivity. Streamline workflow with lead tracking. Analyze your leads activity based on time frame. Easy follow-up, more sales. Download the CueLab app now.